morning, welcome to a new vlog. Today we are started a new ride. Morning 4:30 we started from Bangalore. Now we are in Shoolagiri, same location, same petrol pump, everything is same. We are also same, vehicle is also same, vehicle also show Aprilia. Okay, where we are going, everything we will डिस्क्लोज ऑन दी वे. हम लोग ऑन दी वे बता देंगे कहाँ जा रहे हैं, आज का राइड कहाँ जाएंगे, क्या करेंगे. तो लेट्स गो, वी विल स्टार्ट आवर न्यू जर्नी विथ एप्रिलिया. लेट्स गो. Sunrise. We are going Kanyakumari. Also, we didn't get this much. Same breakfast, idli sambar. Start with idli sambar. Regular, every video you can see idli sambar. Hi, today we are going to Kolli Hills, Kollimalai. We are going a ride with Aprilia. Now we are in Topur, the same hotel. We are having breakfast. We completed our breakfast. Now we told our friend Pungodi is working with this hotel as a supplier. Today she is there. We visited her, and after that now around 8:30 we started 4:30, in between 4:30 5 o'clock we started from Bangalore, and now around 8:30 we reached Topur. Today our ride is we are going to Kollimalai. Kolli Hills में हम लोग आज जा रहे हैं. अभी तो 8:30 हो गया. चले रोड पे देखेंगे क्या क्या मिलेगा करके चले. Dharmapuri Salem road only you can watch the beautiful scenery. Just watch the scenery from here. बोल नहीं सकता, उतना अच्छा लगता है देखने के लिए. देखो वो हाईवे में उधर ही लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में ही मिलता है आपको ये व्यू. देखो कितना खूबसूरत ब्यूटीफुल व्यू. Breakfast. Now we are going to Kolli Hills. Let's go. Watch the beauty on the way. देख लो, पहले हम लोग आए तो उस तरफ पूरा था, अभी तो इतना ही है. पहाड़ के उधर ही फ्लावर का पूरा एक अच्छा सा ब्यूटीफुल लोकेशन. चले ये तो हम लोग फर्स्ट वीडियो वी आर टेकिंग थ्रू GoPro थ्रू राइडिंग है ना. राइडिंग में फर्स्ट वीडियो हम लोग GoPro में ये ले रही हूँ. और कार ड्राइव तो लिया था पहले, ये तो पहली बार राइड में हम लोग एप्रिलिया के साथ तो GoPro यूज़ करके ट्राई कर रही हूँ. स्पीड എന്നാ പറയുന്നത്, स्पीड थ्रिल्स बट किल्स. इतना स्पीड की ज़रूरत नहीं है भैया. बैंगलोर से अराउंड 259 किलोमीटर है Kolli Hills. 2019 we visited Kolli Hills with Aprilia. Same riding, new riding we visited. After that 2021 we are visiting. Aprilia. Now we reached nearby Kolli Hills. Now we on the way to Kolli Hills. The entrance of the Kolli Hills. देखो jackfruit सब है starting point. Now we are entering. Cool climate here. Last time we stayed here, na? Take video. The entrance part only. Hi. Now we reached the entrance of the Kolli Hills. Kolli Hills from Bangalore around 260 kilometers. We started 4:30. Now around 10:30 we reached Kolli Hills. Kolli Hills means the starting point. Now we reached here. What is the difference with the other hill station means 70 hairpin bends are there here. It's a beautiful. We came 2019 with the same Aprilia and now 2021 February. Now we are going to Kolli Hills. That is 70 hairpin bends are there. Kolli Malai. Death Hills. Okay, now we will go to Kolli Hills. On the way we will watch the views, everything. हम लोग जाएंगे. अभी हम लोग जा रहे हैं Kolli Hills. और one thing, पहली बार आप लोग हमारा वीडियो देख रहे हैं तो please subscribe our channel and please click that bell button also. Let's go to Kolli Hills. Makeup. Our regular makeup. This is only the makeup. Chalo, let's go. Entrance is beautiful है ना? देखो हम लोग जा रहे हैं. कैसे दिखा रहे हैं हेयर पिन को? टिंग 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 टिंग. Now we'll go. We will see the 70 hair pin. What happened? You are not coming. Stand here. I will go and come. Go. Let's go. Kolli Hills. Friends, ride means you enjoy the ride. Not everybody is going, okay, we will go for a ride. Not that. Drive or ride, must enjoy your ride. देखो, this is the main entrance. Check post is there. Now we are entering to Kolli Hills, Kolli Malai, Death Hills. अभी हमारे फ्रेंड्स बैठे हैं. देखो, कहीं भी जाओ फ्रेंड्स इधर बहुत होता है. देखो कितने लोग बैठे हैं. How many friends are there? झगड़ा मत करो. Any hill station you are riding, go slowly. Avoid plastic bag. Don't throw the waste. Now we entered the first hairpin bend. In more than 69 is there. Now we are going to Kolli Hills. 70 hairpin bends are the second. We are now entering second hairpin bend. देखो cool है ना. Kolli the little bit hot is there means also, but entering the Kolli Hills it's a cool weather. Rash driving is the main problem in everywhere, the hill station. Don't think we are making more horn. Without horn, what we will do? Now the third we entered. देखो ब्यूटीफुल साउंड हॉर्न इधर भी लिखा है साउंड हॉर्न. So we are doing more horn. Hi. Now we are standing the 34th hairpin bend. Now you are seeing the views from the 34th hairpin bend in Kolli Hills. Just to watch. Small vehicle, okay, big vehicle. Arthur is coming. Pepper is there. Here, pepper. Thing that day we saw a jackfruit, everything is here. Pepper, dekho. Full pepper. Go slow. Now we reached the top of the Kolli Hills. The 70 hairpin bend we covered. It's a simple thing, not much stress, nothing. Because we already visited, that's why I think we reached the top.